And
Sir. Okay, sir.
okay, now I'm going to start today's class, and it goes like this. And it is laws of matrices, second day. Okay, here I told you that you have to copy also. Okay, there will be so many examples you have to write down. Okay, laws of indices, second day.
Sir, have you posted this in YouTube?
Okay, now look here. I am keeping it in YouTube also recently after this class.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And now look here.
Okay, sir.
Welcome in math class. And look here in question of find the value of. When you find the value of this power 1, look at expression 1. 4 has, look at 4 to the power 5 means what is the base here? 4 is the base. Second one, 4, second one also has 4 base. 4 to the power minus 3. If both the bases are same, when you multiply, what should you do? Diksanta, we have to add their power.
Add power.
We have to add the power.
have to add power.
5 plus and minus 3. Why it is kept in bracket minus 3? Do you know? Because it has different
Yes,
sign.
Minus.
there is
Minus, that's
minus
right.
support
Plus.
power. Because
How?
different sign is there.
Yes. How this minus become again? Plus into minus, it will be minus. 5 minus 3
Minus,
will be
please
2.
go minus. Yes.
And 4 is square means
Plus
4
minus.
into 4. 4 4s are 16. Similarly, second question also has same base. Look, 7 to the power 4 divided by 7 to the power 3. And if you are going to divide them, we have to write only one base and subtract the power. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means 1. 7 to the power 1 means what? 7 only. Are you clear about these two
7
questions?
1.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you clear about these
Yes,
two
sir.
questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Sir, completed.
It's good. When you complete it, please tell me. Okay, I will forward. Okay, I
Sir,
will.
complete.
Sir, complete. No, sir. Sir, complete, sir.
Sir, completed.
Sir, completed.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir, completed.
okay. It's very good. If you have completed, it's good.
Sir,
Can you show another slide?
yes, sir. Completed.
Okay, here in this two question, look here. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 6, right? And when you multiply them, upper one, numerator 1, write only 1 to and add the power. 5 plus 6 is 11. And 2 to the power 8 down. Then this in fraction form means numerator is divided by denominator. And when we divide, we have to subtract their power. 11 minus 8 is 3. And 2 cube. 2 cube means how much? 2 into 2 into 2. It means
2 into 2
8.
into 3.
2 to the 4, 4 to the 8.
4 to the 8.
Similarly, look question number 4. 5 to the power 6 into
8.
5 to the power minus 3. Then if you multiply them, 5 to the power 6 plus minus 3. And 6 minus 3 means 3. and 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. Then when you divide, then we have to subtract the power. 3 minus 3 means 0. And I have already told in laws of indices, if any number and variable has power 0, then its value will be 1. 5 to the power 0 means its value is 1. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Write it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Finished.
sir. We done. Finished.
When you complete writing, please inform me. I will proceed to the next question.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Finished. Yes, sir.
No, sir, wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
next slide, look here. Here, in this question, 3 to the power, look, 3 cube that is, and whole square. We know that this power and whole square will be what? Multiplied. Power and power will be this one multiplied here. If they are in bracket, look here. 3 to the power 6, 3 to the 6, into 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 6 plus 5. When you multiply, we have to add. And 6 plus 5 is 11. And when 3 to the power 11 is divided by 3 to the power 9, we have to subtract the power. 11 minus 9 means 2. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means 9.
Fine.
Are you
Yes, sir.
clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, very
Yes, sir.
good.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Very good, very good. Dikshanta also writing. I'm looking from here, okay?
Sir, finished.
Adeshwar also writing.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Pranasa also writing, okay? You all
Sir,
should be
finished.
busy to write, busy to give
Already.
questions. Okay,
Sir, finished.
now I am going to show you
Yes,
next
sir.
question. In this question also we have to follow the same rule, look here. 2 to the power minus 3 whole power 4. And this minus 3 into 4 we have to multiply. Minus 12. And 6 into 3 we have to multiply, then it will become 18. And down on 2, 3 is 6, then 2 power 6. Then when you simplify, then 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 6, and power this, you look here, multiplied in first case. And now look at 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 6 means what? In divide we have to subtract the power. When you subtract, then 6 minus 6 it will be 0. 2 to the power 0 means 1. Okay? Abiral, are you looking?
will keep
Sir, finished.
on YouTube.
Yes, I will keep there. Abiral, are you writing? Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Finished. Yes, sir.
Sir, they are not listening when you are explaining, so they are writing and they are saying, Sir, finish, finish. I can't do, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
You have to listen also, and you have to look. You have to look the activities on the screen. If you are using mobile, you can watch on the mobile screen, and if you are watching laptop, you will watch on the screen of laptop. Okay, Prasiddha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finished.
Now,
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir, finished.
Sir, finished.
Yes, sir.
look, in this question number 7, look here. It is 32, look here. 32 means we know how many 2 we have to factor, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 times. Into 8 means what? 2 into 2 into 2. And it has also square. Then when you open the this one, okay. 2 to 5 times multiply means what? 2 to the power 5.
Sir, 32.
Still there? Have you written this BII?
8 नंबर को चाहिए 4 आंसर, 9 नंबर को चाहिए 9 आंसर.
Look there, look there. Look there on the screen.
Okay.
Have you noted
Sir, it is not showing.
BII? Have you noted this BII?
Sorry.
Shared. You haven't shared.
Thing is this.
Sorry, you haven't shared.
Yes, sir, you have no share. Yes, sir, you haven't started screen share.
There is no screen.
Okay, wait. Has it come there? Has it come?
Yes, sir, it has been.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please, you can ask.
can you, sir, I was disconnected, so can you show me find the value 1 number 4 after number 4?
Okay, I will repeat that you once. Okay, remind me at last. Okay, I will show it. First of all, note down this
Yes, sir, I was
BII.
on screen.
This 7 number note down first. At last one you okay. Again, remind me that I will show you that one question also. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
11 minus 7 is 4 and 2 power 4 means 16. 2 power 4 means 16 because 2 into 2 into 2 it will be. We have to multiply 2 4 times. Okay, Rosemary.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here now I am proceeding to the next one slide. I am showing you next slide.
Sir, wait.
All finished.
Okay. According to the next question,
To the power of 2.
it will be like this.
By
Sir, can you show that, sir? That's one slide once.
Okay, this look at 9 number.
Sir, 8 number we were doing.
Okay, 8 number look there.
Sir, 7.
We were in 8
I will
number.
show that also. Okay, 4 cube. 4 means what? 2 square.
Sir, we were in 8 number.
Yeah, I am showing 8 number again. Look there. 4 means 2 square and its whole cube. Into 8 means 2 cube. 8 means 2 into 2. And this, I have already told in laws of indices, if power also has its whole power, power and whole power will be multiplied. E to the 6. And outside there is 2. Then if all the bases are same, we have to write only one base and add their power. Okay? And up down is divide. Numerator denominator is divide. And when you divide, if they have same base, we have to subtract their power. This 13 minus 11, it will be 2. 2 power 2, that means 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. That means 4. Its value will be 4. Okay, Christina?
Sir, 4 to 6 plus 6 to 13. 2, 8, 8, 11.
Neeraj, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you finish, when you complete it, please inform me that I will, okay, so you next slide.
Finished. No, sir, not finished.
Sir, finished.
Okay,
Yes, sir, finished.
now 9 number, look there. In 27, you have to write 3 cube. 27 means 3 into 3 into 3 into, okay, this 3 times to get 3, 3, 3, okay, 3 cube. 9 means 3 square. And all the bases same, then now what will be? We have to write only one base and add the power. Write only one base and add their power. We have to find the sum of their power. And 3 to the power 6 and 3 to the 3 square they down. It is division. We have to subtract the power keeping the base same. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 to the power 4 means 81. 3 to the power 4 means 81. Okay, children, I hope that you all are writing. You are keeping the note.
So you will post this video after class.
Yes, yes. Its other document is already posted there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir,
Have you completed?
sir, going to.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Okay.
Yes, sir, completed. Sir, wait.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes.
Wait, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
look there.
Yes, sir.
Now x, okay, 10 number. This 12 means what do you know? 2 into 2 into 3. If you factorize 12, then you'll get 2 into 2 into 3. That means 2 square into 3. Okay. Then 18 means what? 2 into 3 into 3. 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. Then when you open the bracket, this power and its whole power will be multiplied. 2 3 is 6 and 3 to the power 3. Because this 3 has one power, then the numbers which have same base, they will be multiplied and the power will be added, keeping the base same. Okay, children?
Yes, sir.
And,
Okay, sir.
and up and down, look at numerator, denominator means divide. And when you divide, we have to put only one base and we have to subtract the power. While dividing, keep only one base and subtract the power.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, the third one there is 2 to the power 6. How?
Here, what third one? Look, just above. Look there. 2 has which power? 2, and it has whole power. How much there? Bracket outside. Look here. 3, and this 2 and this 3 power will be multiplied. 2 3 is 6. Power and whole power it will be multiplied. Okay. Have you
Okay,
understood?
sir.
This 2
Yes, sir.
and this 2 and this outside one, this bracket one, this power will be multiplied. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
There is up and down. Up and down means what will be? Numerator, denominator means we have to divide. And in division, we have to subtract their power. But we have to keep the same base. Base 2, write only one base. 9 minus 8, it will be 1. 3 to the power 9 and 3 to the power 6. 9 minus 6 means 2 cube. 2 power 1 means 2. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. And when you multiply this all, you will get 54 as the answer.
Sir, can you
Which step? Which step?
redefine, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, can you again explain? Explain.
Yes. This 12 means we have to factorize. 12 means what you have to factorize in drop. It will come 2 into 2 into 3. And 2 into 2 means 2 square. 3 means only 1 3. 3 has how much is the power of 3? What is the power of 3? 1. This power and this outside whole power will be multiplied, and this 2 square 2 and this outside 3 power will be multiplied. 2 3 are 6, and we have to multiply only the terms having the same base. While multiplying, write only one
Sir.
base, and we have to add their power. Okay, children? But while dividing,
Sir,
Sir.
dividing,
add or multiply the power.
when we multiply,
Sir, we should add or we should multiply.
no, if there is
Okay,
bracket,
sir.
if there is bracket, then outside bracket power and inside one power will be multiplied. Outside the
Okay,
bracket
sir.
power and inside the bracket one power will be multiplied. Okay, others? Okay, Rishi?
Okay, sir.
Sir, should we need to rejoin?
Probably we are going to finish. Okay, how? What is the time? 5 minutes remaining still.
Yes, sir, this number done.
Okay, now let's see next one.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
E cube, look here.
Yes, sir,
Power
next
and
number
whole
done.
power will be multiplied. Next one, note down.
You can move to next one.
Note down it.
Done.
Next one, xi. Xi also there is. Xi.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, at the second last there you have written 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, and then answer came 72. No, but before that last time in class we didn't multiply last one.
Okay. That in that one it was asked to write the answer in power. In previous one, a question was asking to write the answer in power form. But in this question, it is asking to find the value. When it is asked to find the value, we have to write answer like this, not in power, okay? We have to multiply. When it is asked to find the value, multiply all this and 3 square means 3. Now look here.
Sir, can
Sir,
sir,
you
you
haven't
haven't shared the screen.
shared. Sir, I haven't shared it.
Okay, look there. Has it come?
Sir, done my
Has it come?
my last
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
11 number.
Okay, now look at next one.
Sir, I did
This this 12 number also note down. Same
Sir,
one.
I haven't done, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. I have also not done.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
I am not done.
Okay, I will show you that again. Okay, first of all, write down this XII. 12 one, write first of all. I will show you that. Okay, again. This power minus 3 and outside power will be multiplied. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Sir, do we need to read?
Okay, now see here. You can take the screenshot now. You can take the screenshot and later on you can write down. You can note down. Now I want to show you next.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done. Sir, this.
I want to show you next. This next question. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 multiply. You just see there. 4 and 5 multiply and it will be 20
20
and x square and x square will be x power 4. Right? And here is the class work. You have
Yes,
to do
sir.
this class work also. You have to do
To
this class work
be
also. Okay. Now,
okay, sir.
next look at. Next also I want to show you little bit. Okay. Faster I am telling you can note down later. First of all here. In this question. Next question. In this one we have to divide. What you have to divide? 12 and 72 we have to divide and 18 and 72 also can divide. 18 how much is 72? Other up if you multiply power is added and up down is divide. That means we have to subtract. Right? And it will come answer 3 to the power 4 because 3 plus 5 8 8 minus 4 4. First one we have to add which is have plus sign.